Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to customize footer menu in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to actually do this, we first need to head over and then create a site on WordPress itself. So let me just head over and select in here a free site that I can use in order to make this tutorial. Click on this continue right here, and as you can see, it will ask me to choose the flavor of my WordPress. Click on the start with free right here, or you can also subscribe to any channel or any type of plans that they have right here on WordPress. So just head over and add the things that you want for this one. You can write and publish, you can sell online, and you can also do a lot of things with WordPress right here. So I will just head over and name this. Click on continue. And then once you have done that, as you can see, this will load our WordPress right here. So just head over and then create or pick a design that you can choose for this one. So for example, for this, let's choose this avatar. So click on it. And then in here, click on continue. But you can also choose a default style that they have. As of right now, this one is once available. You can also choose charcoal, or also this one, also this ruby wine. Click on continue right here. Decide later. And then as you can see right here, this will create the website that we have created on our WordPress. So this is now my WordPress right here. So what we can do in this case is let's head over at first and visit the site in order to see what it looks like. So here's our site right here. So you can see in here the header, the actual body, and when you scroll down further, we should be able to see in here our footer. So here's our footer, and we also have this kind of space right here. So if you want to customize this particular footer, what we can do in this case is we need to head over and edit this. Click on this edit page right here, and then this will open the block editor of WordPress itself. Now on this block editor that will open, we should be able to see some things we can actually edit. So here it is right here. Let's try to scroll down, and then from in there we should be able to see in here our footer. Now it's now clickable. Now we can also choose the block options. As of right now, we're on the group page. You can also transform it into a row and also make this a stack, or also make this a grid. So it actually depends on you which ones you want to use for this case. But for this one, let's head over and stick with this. You can also have the option right here for settings, where you can change the layout. You can make this justified, and you can also change the actual layout or orientation of this particular thing. Now you can also change the position. As of right now, it's default. So if we try to make a footer sticky, it will actually stick until we actually scroll over. So when you head over to the advanced, you can also add in here HTML anchor, or also additional CSS classes that will actually enable you to edit out some few more things right here. You can also add HTML element as well. Now when we head over in here on our page, we should be able to see this. So we have in here the discussion, wherein we can allow comments on our blog, as well as some page attributes. Now let's head back and then try to change the things that we have right here. Now in order to change this, let's head back right here to our first page, and then let's try to edit out this particular page that we have. Let's head over in here, scroll down until we can see the option right here for pages. So here's pages right here. And then once you have clicked on pages, you should be able to see this. So right now, let's head over and click on this. And then for this one, let's head over and edit this. Now, once you head over and click on that particular page, you should be able to see the same thing that we have seen earlier. So in this case, we have the block, as well as everything that we have right here. So in order to make this possible, you need to head over and install an actual plugin. So right now, let's head back again to our WordPress. Scroll down until you can see the option right here for plugins. Just click on this plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So let's try searching in here for footer. Now in here, you can see a lot of search results for footer right here. You can choose this Elementor header and footer builder. So this is actually free, but sometimes it requires a plan upgrade in order to make this possible. Another option that you can do is you can head over and then search in here for Elementor, which is a website creator or editor for WordPress itself. You can see in here the Elementor, so you can head over and click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, head over and click on this upgrade or activate right here in order to activate this particular site or plugin that we have right here. So in here, I have open here a page that we can actually edit out the footer. So on the bottom, we have in here this. So when we head over and click on publish right here on the page, we should be able to publish this particular page in order to see what it will look like on the preview of our actual page. So let's head over and see this particular page footer. So in here, scroll down. And in here, we have in here our footer. So if you want to actually edit it out, what you can do in this case is to head over and click on this particular customize or edit page that we have right here. So right now, let's head over and then click on this edit page. Now in here, it will edit the page that we have for us. So on this edit page right here, let's head over and do not allow this right now because it is just a pop-up. You can see this. Let's head over and click on this edit with Elementor right here in order to make this possible. So as of right now, it's loading, but once it's done loading, we should be able to edit out this particular page with Elementor itself. Now as you can see, it's loading. And right here right now is our Elementor. So when you scroll down, you can see in here the footer. So if you want to actually click on it, you can actually add some few more things. You can also search some widgets that you want to add. For example, let's search in here for footer. But as you can see, there's no footer widgets. So instead, let's head over and then edit out some few more things. So we have also this option for the street lines. And from in here, you can see some more options, like for example, the theme builder. And on the theme builder right here, we can build some themes. And in here, you can see the site part, which is actually has the footer. So when we click on this footer right here, we should be able to open in here some footer, but as you can see, it requires some upgrade. So this is what I'm talking about earlier when we need an upgrade on this particular thing. So Elementor is actually free to install, but it requires some upgrade or subscription in order to edit out some footers or headers right here. So let's head back again. And then from in there, we should be able to see our page again. So in this case right here, let's head over and add some few more things. So for example, for this, let's head over and add in here a button on our footer. Now, once you head over and added this particular button, we should be able to locate that button right here. However, it sometimes requires it to be added on certain places as well, and can actually just move it along if you want in here. Now, on the button that has just been created, you can actually edit out this right here, which is our button ID as well as a button type. It can be a success. You can change the text right here. You can add the link that will actually direct you to that particular button, and you can also change up some icons. As of right now, it doesn't have any icon, but you can upload SVG or also explore the icon library that they have. So if you want to actually change the color of this one, is we need to head over to the block editor of WordPress instead of the Elementor itself. Now in here, we should be able to see that particular WordPress block editor. What you can do in this case is to change the theme that you're having. As of right now, I'm on the 2020, but if you head over and change into other themes, like for example, this header, it will change your footer as well as your header, and you don't need to customize it anymore in order to change only the color or some actual things. So you can also see in here some live preview of that actual theme, and once you head over and then decided that you want it, you can head over and then just install this particular theme to your actual WordPress right here. So in here you can see some previews, and once you have decided to get that, click on this activate right here in order to activate this. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.